At dahil nakasubscribe kayo sa channel ko na si Bubohol Homes, may malaking discount ako na i-offer sa inyo guys. Ako ngayon si Ma'am Eileen para maghatid ng magandang balita. So at sa Block 19 Lot 12, from 6 million binababa namin to 2.6 million ang bahay na ito. So isang unit lang po ito. Kasi nakasubscribe kayo sa channel ko. Binibigyan ko kayo ng magandang balita dito sa Bacolod City para kayo po ay always nakasmile dito sa City of Smiles. I hope it's open guys. Wow, perfect. Uy, ba't may mga tao dito? Wala pala. So this is a finished unit. So naka-tile siya. And then may sink dyan. And toilet and bath. And then there's the back door going to the service area kung gagawin mong service area yung likod nito. So malaki-laki yung lot niya, nasa more or less 97 square meters. And floor area is 53 square meters. So now let's check the second floor kung anong meron doon. So mas lalo kayong matutuwa. This is only 2.6 million ngayon na offer. And wow, parang magpa-ID picture. Pagdating dito sa second level, this is the toilet and bath. And this is the one bedroom, your first bedroom pala. And then we have the second bedroom here. So this is the Bella unit guys. Bilisan nyo, baka mahuli pa kayo. One unit lang po ito na nakasale ng 2.6 million. So it's something that will make you smile talaga dito sa Bacolod City, the City of Smiles. So if you want to get this unit ngayon na, so mag-send na kayo ng email sa boholano.broker@gmail.com. This is Amon Ray Clavano Locary, real estate broker and appraiser in the Philippines. Once again, this is Ray!